Hello everyone, welcome to Spice and Soul Diaries. Today we are going to make another delicious fish recipe that's super light, flavor packed, and it's oriental style fish with broccoli and bok choy that turns out so very amazing and is best to be enjoyed either with some hot steamed rice, fried rice, or even with stir fry noodles. And friends, this delicious fish recipe is not just healthy but also quick and easy to make and tastes just like you get at your favorite Asian restaurant. So let's get started with the recipe. And here I've taken a tilapia fillet cut into medium portions like this. But you can use any other mild white fish of your choice like cod or basa. And now I'm going to season them with some crushed Himalayan pink salt and some crushed black pepper as per taste. Now let's rub the salt and black pepper well on both the sides of the fish pieces. And we will let them rest for about 10-15 minutes. Now let's prepare a flavor packed sauce. For that we'll take a bowl and into it goes a teaspoon of dark soya sauce. Next goes a tablespoon of oyster sauce. 2 tablespoons of Schezwan sauce for some spiciness. I'm going to add a little water to rinse off the spoon. This will also help to make the sauce free flowing. Now let's mix all the ingredients well so that they are well combined. And our flavorful sauce is also ready. Next, here in this plate I have taken some cornflour and I'm going to dust the fillet fish pieces with the flour from all the sides. We'll shake off the excess flour. And in the same way we will dust the remaining fish pieces with the flour. Then here in this plate I have taken some bok choy or pak choi stalks that has been cleaned and washed, as well as some broccoli florets that has been partially steamed for faster cooking in the pan, and 3 tablespoons of minced onion, ginger, garlic. And now let's start with the cooking process. For that we'll heat around a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Let's spread the oil on all the sides of the pan, and when the oil is hot enough we will add the fish pieces one by one, and we will let it sear on medium heat until they are light golden brown from both the sides. After about a minute we will flip the fish pieces, and you can see they have turned light golden from one side. And by now the fish pieces are seared well from both the sides. So we'll take them off and keep them aside in a plate. Now in the same pan we will add the finely chopped onion, ginger, garlic, and on medium flame we'll saute them until the color changes and they become aromatic. And once the onion, ginger, garlic are well sauteed, we'll add into the pan the steamed broccoli florets along with bok choy or pak choi. We'll stir them for a few seconds. And I'm going to quickly season them with some salt and black pepper as per taste. Let's stir them once. Next into this we will add the white part of the spring onions. We'll give this a stir. And now time to add the flavorful sauce which we had prepared earlier. I'll add a splash of water to rinse off the bowl. We'll stir the sauce once with the veggies. And once this sauce starts to simmer, we will add 2 tablespoons of cornflour slurry. Let's mix this once well. Now let's add the fried fish fillet pieces. And now I'm going to let the fish simmer in the sauce for about 2 to 3 minutes so that they can absorb all the flavors of the sauce. And just before turning off the flame, we will sprinkle some toasted white sesame seeds as well as some chopped green spring onions. That's it. Our oriental style fish with broccoli and bok choy is now ready to be served and enjoyed hot. So friends, I hope you will try this delicious fish fillet recipe, which is best to enjoy with some hot steamed rice or even with fried rice or noodles. Also, I would love to hear your feedbacks and you can check out my other interesting recipes. We'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and enjoy good food, good life.